We've spent the afternoon here at RFI at Seven Hills, and we've been learning all about the Nextivity QUATRA products. Now, I'd really like to extend our thanks, first of all, to Scott for getting us here, to Thom, who's been backing us for many years, and
thank you for your
and also to Ari.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for all the education. We've had a great afternoon. We got a little something. Can we show this to everyone? We have been officially certified for Selfie with QUATRA, Evo, and Goes.
Well deserved. And very few in the country were keeping the numbers down and also certifying these for the operators. And I can't think of somebody that we would ever work with, or a firm that we've had the long history that we've had with yours, that deserves this more. So,
yeah, well done. Well done.
Thanks, everyone.
Since Allah's fairly new with us, it'd be hard to explain the long history, but I think I'm trying to go back. You certainly worked with pros.
Yeah.
And maybe even RS2?
We go back as far as the RS2s with the Nextivity range, so that's going back almost a decade?
Oh, well, at least a decade.
Oh, wow.
Our first installs here were 2011 with, actually with Optus first and then Telstra. And certainly Rousing Connection was a very, very early player with us. So when we started looking at the long list of potential candidates to bring in early for QUATRA, certainly Marcus had to be on the list because he's been with us for so long, but also of all of the places we've installed, we get a reading on this from the operators themselves, and Allah can comment.
True.
There's one firm we never hear anything bad about.
True, and at the same time today during the session we had one of the best sessions.
Yep.
Very interactive. I know we went over time, 30 minutes, but it was all within, I would say, the fruits of what we want to get out of this QUATRA solution. And I'm sure that they will do a great job. The history of what they were doing with the Go family products and the previous generation product will be the base that they will use to give us the best outcome in the QUATRA.
We're really looking forward to continuing to deliver that high level you expect of us, of that professional service, the outcomes to the customers, because at the end of the day, the customer is the one on their handset and the carriers. They're the ones who want to keep happy. So thanks for trusting us to keep doing this.